Hey guys, welcome to the 2017 MCAT Preparation Meritor Excellence questions. This is question 18 in this series. So in today's session, we're going to be looking at this particular question. What I would recommend is pausing this video right now and just trying to work through the question by yourself first. And then I'll go through the answer, and then you can check whether you did the right thing or not. Okay, so what we have is, it says find the set of values for x for which this particular quadratic is greater than 0. All right, so hopefully for this type of question you obviously should have done some sort of parabolas before, and that would actually make this question quite easy to answer. But what we're going to do is we're going to deal with the quadratic first. So we got x squared minus 7x minus 18, and we want to know when it's greater than 0. So one of the things we're going to do is obviously factorize the quadratic. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 18 and add up to negative 7. So we've got minus 2 and plus 2. So what we're going to say is we're going to find out at what point, because think about it, you've got a quadratic, right? A quadratic looks like this because this is an x squared quadratic. It's a parabola, it's positive, so happy, and it's going to look something like this because it's happy. I know this is not really accurate, but this is just to get an idea of it. So at the moment the question is asking, when is this parabola above 0? So if you think about it, it's actually above 0 when it's here, and it's also above 0 when it's in this zone here. So what we have to do is we got to look at these 2 points here. So we got to first work out at what points is this parabola, at what values of x is the parabola equal to 0. Now this is where factorizing comes into play. So what we're going to do is we're going to do x minus 9, x plus 2 equals to 0, and from here we can see that x minus 9 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. So in the first case we've got x equals to 9, and in the second case we've got x equals to negative 2. Basically what that means is this negative 2 is right there, that point right there, and then we have positive 9, which happens to be here. Alright, so now remember that this particular question, it says for find the set of values for x of x for which this equation is greater than 0. So the first part when we look at it is when x is greater than 9 and when x is less than negative 2. So our final answer, we don't want to really leave it like this. We can just write a really quick statement that is something like this: x squared minus 7x minus 18 is greater than 0 when x is less than negative 2 and x is greater than positive 9. Just going to put that different colors there. Okay, and that's basically it for this question, guys. Cool, so that's it for today's question. If you have any questions about this particular question, pop it in the comments below. Tune in tomorrow for another question, and thank you for watching.